This is going in this. Then I'm gonna go vroom vroom.
Tactics to business, the shit I just call them great. You know what I mean? I be rolling this something clean to the day that I G8 in your face. Nigga, ball in your face, come roll in your face. Come roll in your face, nigga, ball in your face. I'm a ball in your face, come roll in your face. Go roll in your face, nigga, ball in your face. I'm a ball in your face, come roll in your face. Go roll in your face, nigga, ball in your face. I'm a ball in your face, come roll in your face.
Hey, what's up, fam bam? Welcome back to the channel, Whips and Flights, man. Today we did a few little upgrades to the LSA, man. I'm trying to get to that 600 horses, so I had to upgrade a few pulleys. So now we're gonna get everything back in order and give it a test drive and see how everything is working together. You see my boy Dave down there, he looking at that exhaust, man. He trying to show y'all how good that exhaust is and all the hard work we put into it. We customized that exhaust 3 inches all the way from the rooter to the tutor, boy. If you know, then you know.
Upgrade designer, I'm big timer, I'm a shine.
Listen to that chop, boy. You hear that chop? That exhaust was a good thing, but the cops don't like it.
Say my guap and bought some diamonds. Bought some diamonds, yeah, I'm shining like the sun. Could not have a baby when adopted me a son. Feeling like Curry, hit my shot.
Hey man, welcome to the good commercial, man. You know, every once in a while you gotta take a quick break and put some of that 707 GLD in your life. Man, look us up on Instagram, man. You know, you gotta But yeah, man, so we about to give it a start. We just got everything put on. We think everything's good. We're about to give it a go. And just like that, man, Rob, the master mechanic, got her started. Everything seems to be going good. The oil temperature is down. That was the big problem we had early on the first run. The oil temperature kept spiking when it got hot after we did a lot of pulls. So once again, you hear whining now too. I think that boost is in there, man. Like, I didn't hear it, like that whine is sounding real good now. So I'm excited to see what she put down at the dyno this time. Woo-hoo-hoo, that's what we want to see.
This is the highest it got to, 101.
It was getting to 200, now it's only at 70. That's what the fuck we talking about.
I woke up counting money, legendary, I'm the GOAT. All my shortcomings, yeah, I blamed it on the dope. Had to learn young, can't be worried about a hoe. Can't fuck with all them groups, I'm only cute cause I ain't broke. Can't fuck with all them groups, I'm only cute cause I ain't broke.
So I just put the heat up on full blast. I'm gonna let it run for a couple minutes. But see that temperature spikes on the oil.
Upgrade designer, I'm big timer, I'm a shiner. I make this shit look easy, lazy boy, I'm in recliner. A hitful when you make it, most your haters be reminders. I quit it in our favor, say my guap and bought some diamonds. Bought some diamonds, yeah, I'm shining like the sun. Could not have a baby when adopted me a son. Feeling like Curry, hit my shot, bitch, and I won. Got so much charisma, I got game to fuck the none, yeah. You heard right, I got game to fuck the none. Got so much bread, sometimes I give my bitches crumbs. Got so much bread, a hater bet not ever none. I done had my heart broke, now I'm feeling numb. I woke up counting money, legendary, I'm the GOAT. All my shortcomings, yeah, I blamed it on the dope. Had to learn young, can't be worried about a hoe. Can't fuck with all them groups, I'm only cute cause I ain't broke. Can't fuck with all them groups, I'm only cute cause I ain't broke. Can't fuck with all them groups, I'm only cute cause I ain't broke. Can't fuck with all them groups, I'm only cute cause I ain't broke.
Alright, man, we got the motor in. Everything looked tits. Got the belt, the balancer, the relocation bracket. So now we about to start it up again and go give it a test drive and see how it performs.
I know you feeling it.
I woke up counting money, legendary, I'm the GOAT. All my shortcomings, yeah, I blamed it on the dope.
Alright, man, we back at it again. It's a new day. It's a new dime. We feeling good, man. So we headed up to SAC right now. This time is a better feeling, you feel me? We actually getting to drive the car to the dyno shop instead of getting it towed there. But it's not really tuned for boost, so we gotta take it easy. So I'm gonna cruise this thing from Yacht I mean to Yacht I'm talking about. And we about to go see Rick Tune whole shot in Sacramento. I'll tap in with you when we get there.
You heard right, I got gang no fuck of none. Got so much bread, sometimes I give my bitches crumbs. Got so much bread, a hater bet not ever none. I done had my heart broke, now I'm feeling numb. I woke up counting money, legendary, I'm the GOAT. All my shortcomings, yeah, I blinded on the dope. Had to learn young, can't be worried about a
We just pulling up to Sacramento, man. We just getting to the whole shop. Gotta sign that liability waiver, man.
Sign that liability form, that waiver.
This boy Dave always know what to say at the perfect time, bro. I swear, boy. But yeah, we just getting there, man. We just about to get set up on shop. We setting the car. We getting it set up on the dyno, getting everything, all the straps tied down, making sure everything's safe and secure. Testing out everything. He got to run through it, make sure everything cool. But stay tuned. We're about to get on this dyno and see what they put out.
I know you feeling it, you feeling it.
I woke up counting money, legendary, I'm the GOAT. All my shortcomings, yeah, I blinded on the dope. Had to learn young, can't be worried about
Something going on with the fuel pressure. We maxing out too early. Pressure check. We got 14 pounds of boost, which is good, but if we ain't getting no fuel to it, it's pointless. So we are on stock Lsa injectors. So let's see what he can get up out of there. Let's get this reading. I don't know off the top of my head what fuel pump we use, but we're about to get to the bottom of it.
adopted me a son, feeling like Curry, hit my shot, bitch, and I won. Got so much charisma, I got gang no fucking none, yeah. You heard right, I got gang no fucking none. Got so much bread, sometimes I give my bitches crumbs. Got so much bread, I woke up counting money, legendary, I'm the GOAT. All my shortcomings.
Something going on with the fuel pressure. We maxing out too early.
I haven't gone over that 2100 right there.
Driving the loose good though? Yeah. The 8 is good? We have a long way to go.
How much the injector?
60%?
So we should have a lot of it.
It's probably gonna end up using like 80 by the time we're done.
Is it max 80, 85?
About 90, 95. Well, about 90, yeah. You don't really want to exceed 90. I'll accept 95, but anything beyond 90 is pretty much max.
Now that black Corvette, that demon thing over there, that's the level 3 thing right there. That's the Z06 LT4 platform. That thing right there is a beast. They say that thing right there is like level 3. That thing pushing over 1,000 horses. You see them damn slicks, man. Them boys big. I didn't get to hear that one start up, but on the next one I'm gonna get it to start up. But that's that LT4 thing coming in looking like a Batmobile. That thing is clean. This red Corvette right here is one of the Corvettes they was working on when I was here. They applied a level 2 Corvette package that Whole Shop Performance offers, and that gets you about 600 plus horsepower to the rear. So man, if you need any Corvette work, man, I suggest you tap in with the Whole Shop Performance. Rick Toon, he know what he doing, man. He getting these Corvettes pretty fast. So that red one got about 600 to the thing. You feel me? It's one of a kind. It's a nice Corvette. They got me thinking about buying one.
Can't be worried about a hoe. Can't fuck with all.
So pretty much, I know you couldn't hear him because of the fan, but pretty much what he's saying is our max airflow sensor was pretty much clogging the airflow. Now that we're getting the 14 pounds of boost, it's putting so much airflow into it that the max airflow was pretty much restricting it. So now he has to start over, and he's gonna make a whole new platform and tune it in to where now the max airflow sensor is just gonna be looking there looking pretty, and he's gonna start up a whole new base file. So he said we'll be fine. It's just gonna take longer. It's not one of those things where we're just supposed to come in and he's supposed to touch it.
Yeah, he said I
but
need
he
an extra couple dollars.
sit tight, I'm gonna need a couple extra dollars. I'm gonna make it happen for you.
You said I love you.
I said I love you.
Exactly. Good man. Good man.